In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Card. Start by opening Card in your browser and signing in. From your dashboard, open the page you want to work on so you're inside the builder. On the canvas, add a new element by clicking the plus icon. From the menu that appears, choose Gallery. We'll use this to insert an image block that holds your logo. With the new element selected, look to the panel on the left and click the image icon, then choose Upload. Locate your logo on your computer and select it. A quick tip here. A high-resolution PNG with a transparent background usually looks the cleanest. After you pick the file, Card opens a crop window. Use the handles to frame your logo so it isn't clipped, and leave a little breathing room around the edges if you plan to scale it down later. When it looks right, click Accept to confirm. Then click Done to insert the image into your page. Back on the canvas, you'll see the logo element. Drag it toward the top of the page to place it where your header or brand mark should live. Click the logo to make sure it's selected. Then at the top of the editor, click the brush icon to open design options. Here you can adjust size to scale the logo up or down while keeping its proportions. Aim for a size that's legible on desktop but not overwhelming on mobile. Small incremental changes help you land in the sweet spot. You can also fine-tune alignment and spacing so the logo sits comfortably with your other content. If your logo appears soft, try reducing the size slightly. Raster images look crisper when not upscaled. When you're happy with the placement and styling, click Done to save those changes in the editor. That's it. You've added your logo in Card, positioned it at the top, and adjusted its size for a clean, professional look.